In this video, we will introduce the Engage HF app and provide an overview of its different features and functions. The Engage HF app is designed to make it easier to get on the best combination of medicines that aim to help you live longer and healthier. In addition, you can track your vitals and health status over time to help you be more engaged in your heart failure care. On the main dashboard, you can see your messages with any new tasks for the day. There are a few different messages that might show up. Every day, you will get a message about taking your vitals. This message will disappear after you measure your blood pressure and weight for the day. Every 2 weeks, you will receive a message to complete the symptom questionnaire. Clicking on this message will bring you to a screen that allows you to answer the questionnaire, also called the KCCQ12. Once you complete the survey, your results will be shared with your care team. This message to take the survey will go away until it's time for you to take it again. You will also receive a message if you have an upcoming appointment. Clicking on this notification will generate your health summary. The health summary gives a complete overview of your current medications, health status scores, and vitals to go over with your physician during your next appointment. The first page of the summary is designed for you to review before your appointment. At the top of the page, there will be a box with key points that summarize how your heart health has been recently. Under this box, you will find a list of your medications with your current and target dosages. Next, you will see a list of any potential changes that could be made to your medications based on how your vitals and symptoms have been. You will also be able to see your health status score. The second page has more details about your heart health for you and your care team to review. To get back to the home page, swipe down on the health summary and it will disappear. Underneath the messages, you can view the most recent vital measurements and when it was taken. You can click on the box to see your vital trends. Now let's look at inside the app. You will find 3 main pages inside the app: Heart Health, Medications, and Education.
On the Heart Health page, you can view your blood pressure, heart rate, weight, and symptom scores. In the Symptoms tab, you can see your individual scores and a graph of how they have been trending over time. This symptom score is generated from the Kansas City Cardiomyopathy Questionnaire 12 that you will take every 2 weeks in the app. The KCCQ12 is 12 questions that assess how heart failure affects your symptoms and quality of life over the last 2 weeks. Your responses to the 12 questions lead to scores in 4 different categories and an overall average score. You will also answer a question about any dizziness, which will lead to a 5th score. Each score goes from 0 to 100, with lower scores meaning major limitations related to heart failure and 100 indicating minimal limitations related to heart failure. Dizziness is scored from 0 to 5, with 0 meaning no dizziness symptoms and 5 meaning very severe dizziness. You can see trends and read more information about each individual category by selecting each category from the drop-down menu at the top of the page. This information will be useful for your care team to follow how you are doing. When you connect your Omron blood pressure cuff and scale to the app, all your vital measurements will automatically sync to this page as long as you have Bluetooth connection turned on. You also have the option to manually input vitals. The Vitals page has your blood pressure, heart rate, and weight over time. This information is important to understand if your medicines can be safely adjusted to help your heart or if your weight is rising and your meds need to be adjusted. In the Medication page, you can find detailed information about your core heart failure medications. There are 4 main types of heart failure medications: beta blockers, renin-angiotensin system inhibitors such as ACE inhibitors, ARBs, and sacubitril/valsartan, mineralocorticoid receptor antagonists, and SGLT2 inhibitors. These medications are organized into 2 sections. The top section lists your current medications and dose. The second section highlights possible additions or changes to your medications that may benefit your heart. For each medication, you can view your current dose, target dose, and progress towards reaching the target. If you want to watch a video with education about any of the medications, you can click on the information icon here. The colored circle next to each medication indicates your treatment progress. Let's break it down. The green circle with a check mark indicates that you are at the target dose that best helps your heart. The yellow circle with an up arrow means you may be eligible to increase the dose of that medication. Consult with your healthcare provider for further guidance during your next appointment. The blue circle indicates that more vitals measurements are needed from you to make a recommendation about that medication. Remember to take your vitals every day. The gray circle means that you are not currently prescribed that medication. Speak with your healthcare team to see if you may be eligible to start taking it during your next appointment. The final page on the app includes a series of short educational videos for you to better understand the Engage HF app and your heart failure condition. These videos are based on information from heart failure experts and recommendations from the American Heart Association and the Heart Failure Society of America. The educational videos about heart failure medications provide insights into how the medications work, their benefits, and possible side effects. The app's videos also demonstrate the features of the app, including how to understand the medication list. You can also find videos with more information about what heart failure is and why the different vital measurements and symptom surveys are important in your care.
At the top right of your dashboard, there is an account button. Here, you can find a few different tabs including General Account Settings, the Health Summary, Contact Information, Notification Settings, and information about your Bluetooth devices. In the Notification Settings, you can customize which notifications you want to receive. You can receive notifications about upcoming appointments, recent inactivity, and reminders for the symptom survey and taking your vitals.
If you have any questions about the app, you can contact us at engage-hf@stanford.edu. You can also visit our website at engage-hf.com for more information.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Hello everyone, I want to emphasize how the Engage HF app can truly make a difference in your life. The app helps you better understand the goals of medicine treatment and how to get on the best heart medicines for you. This can make you a more active partner with your healthcare team and help you live a healthier and longer life.
Welcome everyone. This app empowers you to take control of your heart failure management. By tracking your vital signs, weight, and health status, the app provides valuable insight into your condition. You can identify trends, detect early warning signs, and share this information with your healthcare team. Let the Engage HF app be your guide on this journey to better health.